Albertus Gerard Bilders was born December 9, 1838, died March 8, 1865. He was a Dutch landscape painter, associated with some members of the Hague School, as Anton, Mauve and Willem Mauritshuis. At the end of 1856 and beginning of 1857, Gerard Bilders was frequently visiting the Mauritshuis in The Hague, where he studied and copied the paintings of 17th-century Dutch landscape painters. In particular the works of Paulus, Potter and Jacob Ruisdael. He then also wrote his menaces Kneppelhout in a letter how he sought and found refuge in these works. He felt himself being outside, in the landscape itself, while watching them in the museum. The paintings of Potter and Ruisdael inspired him to copy them carefully and faithfully, but now already he started to recognize at the same time in their works the landscape as a whole. This was a characteristic point of interest for him, that would return again and again in his later letters and journal notes. Apparently, wholeness and unity of the expressed landscape were essential elements for him.